Aditi
And I'm Spraha
and welcome to my channel
Cookgenics.
Today we are going to share two different pasta recipe
And then we'll differentiate them on the basis of their taste, preparation and cooking time, budget and calories.
So let's get started. Enjoy this video and show your love and support.
So this is the first version of making pasta. I will show you how to make white sauce pasta without using maida, and I divided this recipe into 3 basic steps. And the first step is boiling pasta. We have to boil pasta. Now all you have to do is take a pan, add some water in it. Spraha will show you how to make white sauce pasta by using maida. You have to boil water. Once the water boils, add 1 bowl of pasta in it. You have to cook pasta perfectly, like not much, not less. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt in it. After that, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Adding oil is an important step because it will make sure that your pasta won't stick together. Now stir it well. As you can see, pasta is perfectly boiled. Now you have to strain water from it. Pour chilled water over it so it won't stick together. After that, proceed to the second step, which is preparing veggies. Take a pan, add some butter in it. I am using 2 cubes of butter. Wait till the butter melts. Now add 1 finely chopped onion in it. After that, add 1 finely chopped capsicum. Now add half cup of chopped mushroom. After that, add near about half cup of boiled sweet corns. Now you have to saute them. Add 3 to 4 finely chopped green chilies and saute. Now my favorite part, add some oregano and red chili flakes. Oregano is good for digestion if you are using pure oregano because it belongs to mint family. Anyways, stir it well. Now you have to add some salt in it. Add salt according to your taste and mix it well. You have to saute it for 1 to 2 minutes only. It's done. Now proceed to the final step, making white sauce. Take a saucepan, add some water in it, and again you have to boil water. So wait till the water boils. Now add 3 to 4 medium-sized diced potatoes. After that, add 2 to 3 medium-sized diced onion. You have to cook them for near about 5 to 10 minutes. Now strain water from it and pour chilled water over it. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that take a grinder and add near about 1/4 of soaked kaju. Now add boiled onion and potatoes in it. After that, add 3/4 cup of mozzarella cheese in it and add salt to taste. Now add some water in it. Now all you have to do is make a fine paste of this mixture. Now it's a plating time. Add some pasta in a bowl. After that, add some veggies over it. Now add that white sauce over it. Can you see this texture? So creamy and delicious. Now all you have to do is mix this. So yeah, your white sauce pasta without maida is ready. Last but not the least, give a thank you to God for giving us food and eat it.
So this is the second version. As Aditi said, I'll show you how to make white sauce pasta recipe with maida. I also divided this recipe in 3 basic steps. The first 2 steps are same as shown by Aditi. Now let's proceed to the final step, that is making the white sauce. Now take a pan and add 2 cubes of butter in it and wait until it melts. Now add 2 tablespoons of maida in it. And don't forget to keep stirring it to avoid any lumps. Keep stirring it until the maida completely roasts. Now at this stage, add milk. I am adding 1 glass of milk and add it slowly to avoid any lumps. I am using a whisk to avoid any lumps here. Keep whisking it until you find this texture. Can you see how creamy it is looking? Now add 1 more glass of milk and whisk well. Now if you want more sauce, you can add 1 more glass of milk as I am adding here. Now after a boil, add grated mozzarella cheese in it to make it super cheesy and super tasty. Whisk it well and now add salt to taste. Keep whisking to get a smooth and creamy texture. Can you see it? Now add the vegetables we sauteed before. Mix it well. And now add oregano and chili flakes in it. And finally, add the boiled pasta in your white sauce. Mix it well and it's ready to serve.
Welcome to Genetics. Welcome to our channel. Hey everyone. Today I'm going to. Hey everyone. Welcome to our channel Cookgenics. Welcome to Cookgenics. So today we are going to share. Today I'm going to share pasta recipe in two versions. One, and you have to stick it. Today we are going to share pasta recipe in two different versions. Today we are going to share pasta recipe in two versions. So yeah. And then we'll differentiate both of them in terms of taste, cooking preparation time, budget and calorie. And then we'll differentiate both of them on the basis of their taste, time of preparation, budget and so yeah, let's get started. Let's get started. Enjoy this video